Studio Tropolite presents how to make eggless Basque burnt cheesecake. Some desserts break all the rules, and that's what makes them iconic. Say hello to Basque burnt cheesecake. No crust, no decoration, just bold flavor, caramelized top, and that rich, creamy center. The heart of this recipe? Tropolite cream cheese. Firm, smooth, egg-free, and rich in cheesy flavor. Add 145 grams of fresh cream and 10 grams of corn flour in a mixing bowl and beat until smooth and lump-free. In another bowl, add 245 grams of Tropolite cream cheese and 75 grams of powdered sugar. Mix the cream cheese blend with the cream corn flour mix until fully combined. Add lemon juice and vanilla extract. Mix on low speed or fold gently with a spatula. Pour the batter into a prepared pan. Tap gently to remove air bubbles. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, then at 220 degrees for another 15 minutes, until the top is deep golden brown and the center is still slightly jiggy. No water bath, no egg drama, just whip, pour and bake. Tropolite cream cheese for chefs who want bold, modern bakes with reliable results, egg or no egg. Contact your Tropolite distributor today.